The people who are going to come in UT, I just have a one tip. Please be serious when you are going to give the test.
Test series help me for not too much and not too little, but the correct amount of pressure what is needed for me to score in my subjects.
Rigorous learning sessions here have definitely improved my academic achievements and helped me build my confidence. The teachers here are very cooperative and like a pillar of strength. They have been there to solve our doubts always.
I've been associated with UT for the past 4 years. My only dream has been to get my photo on the UT poster. And UT has brought me closer to my dream through an excellent faculty, systematic schedule, and constant support and motivation. I never believed I could secure such marks, but they say one spark can light a fire, one step can start a journey. And for me, UT has been that stepping stone, my own launchpad to success. All in all, I'd like to sum up my experience with UT by saying that my hard work without UT's guidance would have been like a flower without fragrance, a path without a destination, a body without a soul, and a temple without God.
यूटी का नाम सामने आया कॉमर्स के लिए, वो सचमुच अभी सच हो गया है ऐसा लग रहा है। था टेस्ट सीरीज में जो भी गलतियां होती थी वो बराबर एनालिसिस करके यूटी के जो टीचर्स स्टाफ जो है उसको बताते थे।
Hello, my name is Darshit Shah. I am a student of UT Indore. Pratik sir who taught us accounts and eco did a pretty well job, and Sapnam here taught us BS. Because of all of them, I got good marks.
UTCL has given her a lot of encouragement. They have prepared her continuously with all the subjects with a lot of clarity. This has helped her to a great extent to overcome the fear of examination and for her to have come out successful in JEE mains.
After my 10th results, I decided to join UTCL. I had many doubts which were never cleared in school, which were cleared in UT.
Whenever I came for the PTM in UT or CL, they always guided me very properly regarding his behavioral changes and academic changes also. They told me both the sides, positive and negative both.
I would definitely recommend the UT test series for anyone who wishes to do writing practice in their exams.
Definitely, I would recommend universal tutorials to all parents and students who would want a writing practice, as it is a very good platform with a very nice question bank.
I bestow all credits of this success of mine to the expert faculty at UTCL and my loving parents.
The teachers of UT have always helped me in my studies and in building up my confidence.
Test series at UT served as a boon for my preparation. The questions took care of my regular revision and preparation. The important points all were covered during the tests.
The UT test series, which I feel is a complete revision capsule of whatever you taught in the school, because it covers every main point and every important question which is usually asked in examination.
UT helped me a lot in bringing a good score in 12th exam, especially Ashita ma'am and Ashish sir. Ashita ma'am's class were really amazing and interactive, and Ashish sir constant motivation and focused studies led to my success.
The test series was indeed a very good way of revising the whole syllabus all at once.
It was a nice experience at University Tutorials. Our teacher, Pratik Bappal, was very helping. He's a teacher as well as a mentor. He gave real life.
Thank UT for everything, because it's like a Maida skate, and we walk in with a desire and we walk out with flying colors. That's a basic simple mantra of UT.
There is no such secret to success, first of all. All you have to do is set a goal and do your best to achieve it.
She has secured admission in University of South Florida. She got a handsome scholarship there. So she is going for BS in engineering in USA.
UT test series consists of all the important questions asked in boards. UT finally proved as a catalyst in my success.
UT has provided me a great platform to improve myself in all fields.
I initiated the program of test series and analyzed that I'm actually good at studies. I can write properly, but I need to focus on my weaker points.
Teachers guide us like parents do, and they're always there when we are very much stressed during our exams.
Really proud of my son. He has scored well and has made us a proud parent.
But also thank for the overwhelmed and over talented our faculties like Biju sir, MR ma'am, IR ma'am. They constantly supported and guided us and believed